you doing?
Kevin, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jesse. Man, you are out here. Good for you, man.
Been out here for 40 years.
40 years, wow. That's awesome. All right, let's see. The Verado 400. Cool. 16. You know, and it's
Exactly, that's kind of cool.
yeah, it's getting super awesome. We love it. So these low water pickups for these Verados or any boat with a low water pickup, I put tape over them for while I run it on the muff so we're not sucking air, and then peel that off when you're done. He's peeing. Okay, let's check forward. Good. Neutral. Reverse. Looks good.